Today we're making a farm animal pop-out card. The first thing to do is to download the templates from KEENO's Farm Club, and there are 4 templates there to help you. You've got 2 that you can decorate yourself, the sheep and the cow, and there are 2 pre-coloured templates if you want to try those. Whichever template you choose, I usually print this part of the card onto paper because it makes it easier to handle and work with. First thing to do is to cut round the dotted border of the card. This will make it slightly smaller than A4. Then fold it in half and make sure this is as accurate as possible. You're then going to create the pop-out mouth effect by cutting along the centre of the mouth, across the dotted line and into the corner. Now, to create a good effect, you need to fold along the remaining dotted lines, and these folds need to be as sharp as you can possibly make them. Make these creases sharp and clean. And to do this, first of all, I usually ask for some quality control. So what do you think? Yeah, you like that? Okay. And then secondly, I usually bring the folds back on themselves so that I'm making as sharp an edge as possible for the pop-out part of the card. Now this is the really fiddly bit, and it does take some practice. Hold the mouth in place, fold the card in half, and make sure everything is positioned carefully before you move on to this next step. Take a piece of contrasting card, and here I do tend to use card because this is going to form the outside of my effect. Position the interior in place and then simply glue. Once both sides had been glued in position and the glue's had a chance to dry, there you have it, very simply, your farm animal pop-out card. So let's recap. There are 6 steps. Step 1, cut the border to create the interior of the card. Step 2, fold the card in half. Step 3, cut the pop-out mouth from the centre line into the corner. Step 4, fold the mouth pieces first of all forwards and create a very clean crease, and then fold them back onto themselves. Step 5, the fiddly part. Once you've done that, position the mouth correctly and fold the card in half again. And step 6, stick the card onto some backing card. Please download all of the templates and try using some where you have to decorate them yourself. Then maybe even try and create your own design using one of mine as an example. I'd love to see what you manage to produce, so please take some photographs and upload them to KEENO's Facebook page. Get creative, have fun, and keep wagging and woofing.